Hello enthusiasts of electric automotive winches. How long has it been since your winch saw any action? To get straight to the point, one of the main reasons for winch problems is lack of use. While you reflect on the last time you used your winch, let's discuss how to keep your equipment in excellent condition. Reiterating, lack of use is your winch's biggest enemy. Refer to your winch manual, regardless of the model, and you'll find two essential guidelines. First, every 6 months, if you haven't used the winch, it's important to perform a procedure. Additionally, whenever your winch is exposed to adverse conditions such as immersion in water, mud, or similar situations, it is vital to clean the winch and the vehicle shortly after use. Understand that your winch is a significant investment. Allowing it to deteriorate due to lack of use simply doesn't make sense. Typically, when we neglect preventive maintenance, the most common problems are related to solenoids, which are usually located in the control box. Some winches have solenoids integrated into an upper bridge, and clutch issues can also arise. The clutch lever allows you to pull the winch cable without engaging the motor to unwind it. In some situations, the brushes may have poor contact with the motor armature, requiring preventive maintenance. This process is surprisingly simple and safe, as long as you follow safety guidelines. First, start the vehicle's engine at around 1,600 RPM to keep the battery charged, as electric winches consume a significant amount of power. You may need a second person or a throttle adjustment device for this. Then, disengage the clutch lever, allowing the drum to spin freely. Now, using the remote control, activate the winch in the cable winding direction, making pulls at 1-minute intervals to give the alternator time to recharge the battery. Keep alternating between turning the winch on and off until you feel that the winch motor is uncomfortably hot to the touch. This indicates that the preventive maintenance was successful. This procedure ensures that all moving parts, including the brushes and armature of the motor, are kept in good condition. It also lubricates the clutch as the motor shaft rotates. This is a simple process that can be done periodically. Do not neglect this maintenance, as failing to do it is one of the leading causes of defects in solenoids and the clutch. Remember to run the motor until you feel discomfort due to the heating. So, if you perform this procedure at least every 6 months, or whenever you expose your winch to adverse conditions, you can be sure that your valuable equipment will work smoothly for many years. Good luck with your maintenance, and take good care of your winch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and hit the notification bell. We appreciate your support.